So I'm on my way to work. This is part of my commute. I have the K-Tuner with the variable tune on. The previous video, you've seen me install it, so that's already a thrill. Not saying that it's not an enjoyable car already, but this tune wakes it up a bit, and I like it already. And the commute so far using it with this tune has been fun. Oh my God, so I'm just now showing y'all the commute with the variable tune using K-Tuner. Woo! There's also an LED setup that you can put on your K-Tuner. I found it in the Civic forum. Shout out to the user that posted the tutorial. So I'm gonna post a link in the description below on how to set this up of the LED lights. It's pretty cool, pretty toggles with the RPMs and everything else. But yeah, enjoy the commute with K-Tuner with the variable comfort mode. Oh my God, comfort mode. This doesn't feel like comfort mode. This feels like normal mode. This is crazy. And I can't wait to use the other modes, the normal mode and the sport mode. If comfort mode is like this, I'm so excited to use the other two modes in this car. That's gonna be crazy for testing purposes and everything else for the feel. But sit back, enjoy the commute. I'm not gonna talk much anymore. Slow down. Cops just pulled somebody over. Alrighty, heading home, back from work. Work was pretty productive as usual. Head back home. Such a beautiful day. It's 87 degrees. So we'll see how this car does with the K-Tuner variable 1.5, 1.5 or whatever. Woo! Like I said, it doesn't feel in comfort mode, but it is in comfort mode with this K-Tuner. Oh my goodness. And I also noticed too that there's no rev hang, which is great, because I always had a problem with rev hanging, in particular in this model, which was kind of annoying, but I gotta get used to it. But with the K-Tuner, well, getting it through variable, of course, I don't feel any rev hang, which is amazing, great. So I'm really, really thankful and fortunate that they've done this. Thank you so much. Here's the thing, accelerating already in comfort mode, it's so seamless. Like I said, it feels more of normal because of the extra horsepower and the extra boost and the, you know, what this tuner does. But I think it's gonna damper with my miles per gallon though, because of the fact that it's accelerating more and I have a little bit of a lead foot when it comes to accelerating in traffic, out of traffic on the highway. But I namely cruise on the highway like this, but I don't know, we'll see what the results are once I do the data and everything else. But for now, I'm just enjoying this ride back home with it, and it makes the commute a lot more fun. It was already fun enough, but it makes the commute more fun. Like, that's crazy. Like, I was around 70 and now I was hitting 80, 84 in a quicker time than I normally do in comfort mode. That's nuts. That was a close call. That car almost hit him. He turned too late. Jesus, that's a fox. They got a squirrel. What's he doing? What's this guy doing?